Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel your Tinder Gold account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Tinder Gold is basically a premium version of Tinder, and to cancel it you need to tap on the settings option. So once you tap on settings, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on your Apple ID on the top of the screen. So once you have selected and tapped on Apple ID, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on the subscriptions option. So once you have tapped on subscriptions as well, you will be shown all the subscriptions that you have taken till date. So amongst all these subscription, you need to select Tinder as your subscription. So once you have selected the Tinder app, you will now be redirected to this kind of interface where you can find an option called cancel subscription. So to cancel your gold account or your Tinder premium, you need to tap on cancel subscription. Once you do this, you need to reconfirm your decision by tapping on the confirm option. After you are done, you will have your Tinder Gold account unsubscribed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.